Everyone tells you the same thing. To scale, you need to build a team. They're wrong. In 2024, a traditional team isn't an asset. It's a liability. Payroll management, human error. It's all just a bottleneck. The new gold rush isn't about managing people. It's about managing workflows. I've spent the last year dismantling traditional business models and replacing them with autonomous AI agents. I'm talking about systems that don't sleep, don't complain, and execute tasks with surgical precision. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint for the zero-employee empire. I will show you how to integrate Make.com and OpenAI to automate your lead generation, client onboarding, and daily operations from scratch. By the end of this video, you won't be looking for a new hire. You'll be building a digital workforce that scales infinitely without adding a single cent to your payroll. Let's dive in. Think about the traditional growth path. You hit a ceiling. You're overwhelmed. So you do what the gurus tell you. You hire. First, it's a virtual assistant, then a project manager, then a specialist. Suddenly, you aren't a business owner anymore. You're a full-time babysitter. You spend your day managing personalities, chasing deadlines, and dealing with sick days. And the cost? It's not just the salary. It's the overhead, the taxes, the insurance, the mental load of knowing someone else's mortgage depends on your revenue. Worst of all, you've just traded one bottleneck for another. Humans are great for high-level strategy, but they're terrible at repetitive data entry. They get bored. They make typos. They forget to follow up on a lead at 3 a.m. In 2024, paying a human to do a task that a script can do in 2 seconds isn't scaling. It's an expensive mistake. You're building a fragile system. If your key employee leaves, your business breaks. But imagine a system that never sleeps. No ego, no payroll, no mistakes, just pure automated execution. Stop thinking about payroll. Start thinking about API calls. The goal isn't just to use AI. The goal is to build a zero-employee empire. This is a business where your growth isn't tied to your headcount, but to your workflow. To do this, you need a specific tech stack. Make.com is your central nervous system. It connects your apps. OpenAI or Claude is your brain. It handles the decision-making. And tools like Zapier or Airtable act as your memory. Let's build a real-world example, the automated lead conversion machine. Step 1, the trigger. Normally, you'd hire a virtual assistant to check emails and enter data into a CRM. That's a waste of human intelligence. Instead, we use a Make.com webhook. The second a lead hits your form, Make.com grabs the data instantly. Step 2, the intelligence layer. We don't just send a thank you email. We send that lead's data to OpenAI with a high-level system prompt. The AI analyzes the lead, researches their company via a web search tool, and writes a custom response. This takes 3 seconds. A human takes 30 minutes. Step 3, the action. Make.com pushes that personalized draft directly into your Gmail drafts or sends it automatically. Look at what just happened. You've replaced a lead gen specialist, a market researcher, and a copywriter. Total cost: a few cents in API credits. No health insurance. No management meetings. No human error. This is the fundamental shift. When you hire a person, you add management overhead. When you add a module in Make.com, you add capacity. You aren't managing people anymore. You're managing logic. If you want to scale, stop looking for the perfect candidate on LinkedIn. Start building the perfect workflow. To build this, you need the right stack. I use make.com to glue everything together. It's the central nervous system of the business. If you want to start building for free, use the link in my description. For the intelligence, you'll need an OpenAI API key. Simple, fast, and infinitely scalable. Now look at the results. I replaced a full-time virtual assistant with a single workflow. No payroll, no management meetings, no human error, just pure automated output while I sleep. Stop trading your time for people management. Start building your empire. Hit subscribe if you're ready to scale without the stress. Grab my automation templates in the description and build your zero-employee business today.